Hey, welcome to my channel, The Future of Earning Online. As we enter 2025, the internet continues to evolve rapidly, creating new opportunities to earn money online. With advances in AI, blockchain, virtual reality, and an expanding gig economy, it's crucial to understand the best methods to build sustainable online income streams. This guide provides the most effective ways to earn money online in 2025, leveraging both existing and emerging tools, platforms, and trends. First, leverage the power of content creation at YouTube and video platforms. Video content is more dominant than ever. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Vimeo remain the cornerstones of content creation. With YouTube alone, millions of content creators earn a full-time income. To start earning on YouTube, create niche-focused channels, whether it's gaming, tech, education, or lifestyle content. Video content still reigns as one of the most monetizable forms of online engagement. Monetization options: YouTube AdSense, brand deals, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and YouTube memberships. With these platforms offering massive organic reach, creating engaging short videos can be a goldmine. Pro tip: focus on high CPM niches such as finance, tech, and personal development for better earnings. B. Instagram and short-form video content. 2025 marks a new era for short-form video content. TikTok continues to grow, with Instagram focusing on its Reels feature. Monetization options: sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, TikTok's Creator Fund, and brand partnerships. Pro tip: post consistently, engage with your audience, and use trending audio for organic growth. Offering AI-driven services like content creation, marketing, and automation tools can put you ahead of the competition. Second, AI-driven content generation and freelance. Work platforms like WordPress with AI plugins allow you to offer web design, SEO, and automation as a service, automating tedious tasks for clients. Artificial intelligence tools have made content creation faster and more efficient. AI platforms such as ChatGPT, Jasper, and Writesonic can help you generate articles, blogs, social media posts, and even product descriptions. And skills via online courses and coaching can lead to substantial income. A. Freelancing with AI tools. By 2025, there's a high demand for niche courses in areas like digital marketing, self-improvement, and sustainable living. In 2025, freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are thriving. Skills needed: content writing, social media management, virtual assistant services, and video editing. Monetization: charge per project or hourly. A skilled freelancer in 2025 can charge premium rates for AI-powered services, be AI-powered websites and automation. You can build websites or offer automation services to businesses using AI tools. Platforms like Coach, Me, Clarity, FM, and LinkedIn Learning can connect you to individuals willing to pay for personal guidance. Monetization options: charging for website design, SEO optimization, or setting up automated systems for businesses. Third, online courses and coaching. Sharing knowledge for profit. The online learning industry is booming. Whether you're an expert in coding, photography, or fitness, sharing your knowledge. A. Create and sell online courses. If you have a passion for art or design, this space offers unique ways to earn. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare offer opportunities to create and sell courses. In 2025, leveraging affiliate marketing with a blog, YouTube, or social media platform is easier than ever. Monetization options: course fees, monthly subscriptions for access to content, or premium one-on-one coaching sessions. By promoting affiliate products related to your niche, you can earn commissions when visitors make purchases. Pro tip: package your expertise into a structured course with video lessons, downloadable resources, and quizzes. B. Coaching and mentorship. If you're a subject matter expert in a specific field, becoming a coach or mentor could be your ticket to online success. The higher your traffic, the more affiliate commissions you can generate. Monetization: hourly sessions, ongoing mentorship programs, or group coaching workshops. You can promote affiliate links through posts, videos, or stories. Both. NFT and digital art marketplaces. 2025 continues to see a rise in digital art and NFTs, creating and selling digital art. In 2025, there are countless dropshipping opportunities available with suppliers from around the world. This digital tokenization allows for creators to sell one-of-a-kind art pieces to collectors worldwide. Artists can now sell their work as NFTs. Monetization options: sale of digital artwork, royalties from secondary sales. These services handle inventory, printing, and shipping for you. Partner with suppliers via AliExpress or Uberlo for dropshipping products. Pro tip: learn the basics of minting NFTs and use platforms like OpenSea. By 2025, there are even more opportunities to invest and profit from the world of digital currencies. Fifth, Affiliate marketing. Passive income potential. Affiliate marketing remains one of the most profitable ways to make money online. Yield farming is another way to earn interest by lending your crypto assets. Start a niche blog or website. With a growing interest in cryptocurrency, content creation around this niche can be incredibly lucrative. Blogs continue to thrive in 2025. Find a profitable niche, whether it's health, personal finance, or tech, and create quality content around it. Monetization, affiliate links, sponsored content, product reviews, and email marketing. Pro tip: focus on SEO to drive organic traffic to your site. B. Utilize social media for affiliate promotions. Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube offer great opportunities for affiliate marketing. Monetization: promote products in your niche, track your sales, and earn commissions on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. 6. Dropshipping. Building a product empire. The world of online retail continues to grow, with Shopify and WooCommerce offering easy entry points for new entrepreneurs. 7. Starting an e-commerce store. Whether you choose to focus on content creation, freelancing, e-commerce, or cryptocurrency, the opportunities are abundant. Take consistent action, keep learning, and adapt to new trends to maximize your online income potential. Selling physical products online is still one of the most popular ways to generate income. Monetization options: profit margins on products sold, upsells, subscription boxes. The key is to start now, refine your skills, and remain adaptable to new opportunities that arise. Happy earning. Thanks for watching this video. Pro tip: use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to create a simple online store. B. Print on demand. If you have a creative flair, you can design and sell custom products like tea, mugs, and phone cases via print-on-demand services. Monetization: earn money each time a product is sold with your design. 8. Cryptocurrency and blockchain opportunities. Cryptocurrencies are changing the way we think about finance and money. Crypto staking and yield farming. If you have crypto holdings, staking them in decentralized finance protocols can generate passive income. Monetization: interests from staking, yield farming rewards. B. Start a crypto blog or YouTube channel. Educate others about crypto, NFTs, and blockchain technology. Monetization: affiliate links, sponsored content, and cryptocurrency tips. 9. Online surveys and microtasks. While this won't make you a fortune, completing surveys, testing websites, or participating in market research still offers easy money. A. Survey and task websites. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Mechanical Turk provide simple tasks that pay you for your time. Monetization: small payouts for completing surveys, testing products, or performing simple online tasks. Conclusion: taking action and achieving success. Making money online in 2025 is all about finding the right strategy that aligns with your skills and interests. By combining these methods, anyone can set themselves up for financial success in the ever-evolving world of online earning.